Hey people, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer contact from Android to Android. So first of all, for this, you have to go first on your Play Store app and you have to install this ShareIt app on your mobile. After installing, go for Open. Okay, just wait for 5 seconds here. Now it's skipped. Now you have to also install this app to your another mobile or another Android phone. After doing installing, you have to tap on the send button from this mobile, and you have to tap on here receive button from your another Android phone. So go for to this Android phone. If I show it to you, just tap on here and receive. Okay, then from here you have to tap on send. After tapping received to your another phone, it shows a QR code. So if I go for send here, and you have to go for here contacts. Okay, it's loading now. Now choose your contacts and go for send. And it shows a scanner here. Tap on next. And you can see there is a QR code here. So just scan this QR code and it's sharing now. So yeah, it's complete now. Okay, if I show this thing from my camera, you can see it's now transferred. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can transfer contacts from Android to Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.